Okay, here we go. Me and Lana, we're gonna go out to the store and Lana show the road, preparing for this storm we're supposed to have. The road is all salted up. Showing the road, right?
Yep.
Salty, salty, salty white road.
Look at that salt.
You can make a whole lot of eggs with all this salt. I've seen like 3 plow trucks already. We might bump into one of them. Red van. Red scary van. More salt on this road right here. They're all just in like certain spots, it seems. Tire just rolling and crunching over them. More salt in the middle of the road there. All the way in the middle by the traffic light. More salt. You can pause that. Video.
Alright, y'all. So we found
The salt truck.
the salt truck. It's
We're
right
driving behind the
right
salt
there.
truck.
It's right there, y'all. You'll
You
see
can't
it.
get too close because then salt will be all over your car.
It's the one that's like flashing yellow. Right there. The one that's at the middle of the
New
road.
York is preparing for winter. Preparing for the storm. No salt here. It's gonna probably throw salt all the way this way. Up there's another one.
Another one?
Yeah, right there.
Oh,
Yeah, plow truck.
right there. Then this one right there.
Okay, here we go. Me and Lana, we're gonna go out to the store and Lana show the road, preparing for this storm we're supposed to have. The road is all salted up. Showing the road, right?
Yep.
Salty, salty, salty white road.
Look at that salt.
You can make a whole lot of eggs with all this salt. I've seen like 3 plow trucks already. We might bump into one of them. Red van. Red scary van. More salt on this road right here. They're all just in like certain spots, it seems. Tire just rolling and crunching over them. More salt in the middle of the road there. All the way in the middle by the traffic light. More salt. You can pause that. Video.
Alright, y'all. So we found
The salt truck.
the salt truck. It's
We're
right
driving behind the
right
salt
there.
truck.
It's right there, y'all. You'll
You can't
see
get
it.
too close because then salt will be all over your car.
It's the one that's like flashing yellow. Right there. The one that's at the middle of the
New
road.
York is preparing for winter. Preparing for the storm. No salt here. It's gonna probably throw salt all the way this way. Up there's another one.
Another one?
Yeah, right there.
Oh,
Yeah, plow truck.
right there. Then this one right there.
Dang. Rock salts. Making sure nobody slips and falls over here.
Yep.
So the salt that damages your car when you don't wash it. Oh my god. All that salt.
Look at it. Look at it, y'all. Looks like a little storm. back.
Yeah.
Look at all that salt, y'all. On top of
Keep back.
right next to it. Look at all that salt, guys, on the top. See how much salt?
Oh, it looks like it's about to start flurrying.
It's right there.
You can see it. What is it?
Okay.
Close.
All the shopping carts are gone.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, so the mangoes are good.
Oh no, they're not good. This one is a good one.
This one is a good one.
Someone gotta tell me if this is a good one.
88 cents each.
Come on, this mango. Let me see. Oh no. Let me see. I don't know. Maybe I could put this in a paper bag. This one looks like it got a bruised up a little bit. Oop. I don't know. These two might be good. Okay, so we'll go with that. Look at some.
Ooh. Someone's mom said no.
Somebody promised us no.
Egg price update. Egg supplies have been affected because of the continual of bird flu.
read it. But what price of eggs? Oh, you didn't pause it the last time.
Yes, I did. We don't have to
I
go
don't
to
know if we should
Chipotle.
try this. Since when? Hot honey. Let's see. I think we're gonna try one of these.
We got spicy Chipotle, spicy hot, and hot honey.
Yeah, we're gonna try this hot honey.
You try this one.
No, that's gonna be too hot. She wanna try that. I don't think so. We need some honey in there. This might be good for colds or something. I don't know. Let's go with that.
Or it might taste like
And we
those
pick this
cheese.
up.
Oh yeah, we're gonna be
We're gonna
trying
try
that
this.
later.
Joy boba tea. We love boba tea.
We love it. We had some yesterday.
Yes.
Gonna be trying it.
What else? Now it's snowing.
Look at it. It's snowing. Oof! Got it on my head. Oof! It's getting on my head.
Parking lot is emptying out. It was fuller earlier.
It's getting on me. These big freaking.
So we'll give an update afterwards.
Look at that snowflake.
Ooh, accident about to happen over there. Nah. Camera.
Okay, so we're leaving. Ooh,
My camera's a little.
it's a little
Yuck.
snowy. And yeah, we're about to leave. We're leaving the parking lot. And guess what? There was a lot more carts when we left.
Yeah, so everybody's getting home now
Mhm.
to get out of this storm that's about to happen.
Yeah. All right, so we're going home, y'all. We're going home. Going home. All right, y'all. So we're going home. Wait. This isn't This isn't the way to go home.
Ooh, what's that? What's that sign? I gotta go there. Wait, what's this? Chicken tenders? Dad, why is it so expensive? $9.69. Oh my goodness.
Are you serious right now?
I'm getting it. I'm getting a box of 30. 6-piece chicken. 6 tenders. 2 sides. 6-piece chicken, 6 tenders. Maybe I'll get that. Chicken tender feast.
Welcome to KFC. This is Carmen. How may I help you?
Alright, y'all. So we got our food. They forgot our drink. So we had to wait. Yeah, we had to sit there and wait. Yep. So we got our bucket. Got our mashed potatoes and fries. And Nashville 3-piece chicken. Yep. Kentucky Fried Chicken. I am so excited to try this.
You're not trying that. Bam! Seriously, you're just gonna look at me like that? You're trying some Pepsi, is what you're trying. Enjoy.
No, I'm trying some of this too. But yeah, this is it. We're gonna see you guys when we get home.
Yeah. We got this salty road here. Chunks of salt there. This is where the bus goes. More salt.
Wait, let's go right there.
Sugar and salt. So I can make a margarita with that.
Look at that salt, y'all. Look at that. Alright, we're almost home, y'all. Like 1 more minute.